on, guys? Doing another install today. Today we're going to be installing the Amoffroad rock slider running boards. Super simple, super easy. It's literally 3 bolts. All you're going to need, either an impact gun, you can also use a ratchet, probably going to need an extension, and a 1/2 inch socket. So the coolest thing about these, where they've got these pegs here, most running boards, when you're installing them, you got to try to hold up. You're in there all wonky trying to hold one side up with your foot, other side up with your hand trying to get a bolt started. These, they've got these pegs. They're going to mount right into the holes on the side of your body, and it's going to hold itself up while you get your bolt started. And that's going to be the first step. Just going to get those lined up. And it's going to sit just like so. And once you've got it in there, you just make sure you get your holes lined up. Take your bolt, your socket and extension, just to help you get it started. You get all 3 bolts started. Then once you've got them started and it's in the position where you like it, then you're ready to just send your bolts on in. And once you've got those bolts in, you're set and you're done. And obviously, they're going to hold your weight. Goodbye, super simple install. Like I said, 3 bolts. That took 10 minutes at the most.